Mapapawaw ka talaga pag nakita mo tong bahay na to. As in brand new, may swimming pool, may 14-car garage. At dito nga ito sa isang exclusive high-end subdivision na Ayala Alabang Village dito lang sa may Muntinlupa City. Ayan, pagpasok kita kagad yung swimming pool at may elevator kasi 3 levels to. Future ready tong bahay na to. At may mga gamit pa. Siyempre talagang high class and elegant yung mga furniture dito at fully air-conditioned ang buong bahay. Meron tong lot area na 762 square meters at ang floor area nasa 1,162 square meters at napakalaki ng dining area. Malapit dito yung fully fitted kitchen as in kompleto na lahat ng mga kitchen appliances. May access pa ang kitchen sa swimming pool. Fully covered